What's going on, everyone? How you doing today? Doing great? Good. So am I. I'm all right. You know, checking out knives, so it's always a pretty good day. I don't know exactly what these are called. These are coming from the Pass Around group, and I think it's called the Pickled Steel. Like I guess the brand. I think it's a company out of South Africa. Pickled Steel. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Pickled Steel. I know they're both Pickled Steel. I don't know. That's not the name of the knives. I think that's just the company. Excuse me. Um, let's check these out. I wasn't really expecting to check these out, and then last second I was like, yeah, let's go try them out. It's new, something new, something I ain't never checked out, so why not? Um, this one you have your cleaning cloth. You have just an extra pocket clip. Yep, just the same thing, just an extra pocket clip. You got your little tool right there, a couple little extra screws, so that's kind of cool. It's always kind of nice when they do that. Give you a little extra stuff just in case. Um, Same here. It looks like what's this? Oh, you just have like yeah, got a wire pocket clip, some springs. Okay, cool. So this is a this is a crossbar lock. This one is a liner lock. Okay, so you have your like an extra pocket clip right there, some extra stuff. So that's cool. I like that. So far, so good. I do not know what this one. I just saw what this one was called. I do not know what this one's called. Miguel Heltz or Hetzel, Hetzel. See what it is. That is a different type of knife. Oh, it's the Rhino. Okay, there you go. It's 14C, so there you go. It's not bad. I like that. It's a great budget steal. And not even a budget steal. Like it's a not a just a budget steal. I've seen $100 knives with 14C on it, so that's stupid of me to even say. Um, yeah, definitely a little bit bigger of a knife. Definitely bigger blade, different design right there, obviously. I can see why they call it the Rhino, though. Just I feel like that looks like the Rhino right there, the horn and everything. Um, Kind of cool, though. Pocket clip, not bad, not bad. I like the black screws. I like black, I don't know why. Black, accents. You got a black little pivot collar right there, both sides. SP, so I'm guessing that is pickled steel. That's just kind of hey, it works. I think it's from South Africa. The company is. Um, so so the screws are not recessed, but the pocket clip is. But honestly, the pocket clip is recessed far enough down that the screws are almost like recessed also. Like you really don't get a lot of screw right there. That's what she said. Um, Liner lock though works pretty well though. I like it. It shuts pretty nice. Yeah, it shuts pretty smooth actually. Yeah, it operates pretty smooth. Like that's really wow. Not shabby at all. Um, Let me get that flipper tab real quick. Gotta find that sweet spot on it, you know what I mean? Yeah, it opens pretty well. I like it. It shuts very well. Like it's kind of smooth. Like I don't know how much this is. I don't know how much either one of these are, but it shuts smooth. Like it's buttery. I don't know how much, like I said, it is, but if it's a cheaper knife, like price wise, if it's a little lower, like yeah, I would say it's for like operating wise, like mechanism and everything like that, like closing, opening, it's smooth. It'd be worth decent money. I'm just opening it, but it does open pretty well. Oh man, even with the thumb. Oof, baby. Oop, not right there though, I'm gonna tell you that. It opens well. I like it. It opens very well. Thumb studs are not stupid where they're sharp and stuff like that. I've had a couple knives recently where the thumb studs are sharp and they actually dig into my nail. Like when I try to, flip it open, I don't like that. I'm not a big fan of that. Um, Like I understand it might be something to get a little bit of bite so you can flip it open, but if it's like cutting stuff like that, your finger up a little bit, who wants to carry that, right? This thing's nice though. It's not bad. I don't know if they have different colors though. I think I would like a different color. I'm not big on the orange. Like it works very well with certain knives. Usually, I would say I like orange handles or orange scales. If it's on like a black knife, black blade, PVD, DLC. Um, that's my kind of preference on it. But the blade shape is just kind of different. It's different. but I can definitely see the rhino look in it. You know what I mean? Let's check this guy out. This is the War Hog, not to be confused with a warthog, but a War Hog. It's definitely built a little bit. This girl a little thicker. Oh, whoa, hold on, hold on. Okay, this is okay. So I gotta get. Okay, this is kind of different because you have a big old knife and you have thumb studs. Like the thumb studs are a little small, I think, for it. Um, Let me see. There we go. Kind of cool. Look at that. I like that. That thing's kind of cool. Um, I wish the thumb studs were like maybe not like coming out wise this way. I wish they were just a tad thicker, like around. I think that would probably help, but I like the way that looks. So look at that. I think that looks pretty good. I like the handle. I like the green micarta inlay on it or insert. Looks good. I'm not very iffy on micarta, but when they kind of use it like this, I think it looks pretty good. Like you have your green, then you have your like red accents also. It kind of reminds me of Christmas for some reason. Sounds kind of stupid, but Christmas time, green red. But nice pocket clip it looks like. Oh man, that thing's tight though too. Maybe not. Yeah, that thing's tight. That's gonna be. I don't know how well it's gonna go in the your jeans, your pocket. Excuse me, but it might yeah. That's tight, so that's gonna be a little tight. Obviously, just carrying it around, breaking it in, obviously would obviously fix that. This is D2 though, D2 steel. This thing looks like a freaking workhorse though, man. I'm telling you. If you need a knife that you just want to carry around that you can just cut anything with and go through stuff, man, this is it. I'm not okay. So I'm very surprised by this. I did not know if I would like these knives hardly at all. That's why I was iffy on even checking them out. And I'm actually very impressed with them. This, like color wise, yeah, I can switch that up, get different ones, but I kind of like that. It's not bad. Like the opening and closing is so smooth, it makes it worth it. And this right here, this just feels like a knife that you would just use as a workhorse. Like you're just gonna use this, and you're gonna use it out in the yard, out in the garden, out cutting anything you want up. Like it just feels like that type of knife, and it is thicker, obviously too. Like here's my go-to Praxis, and you can kind of see it's thicker. Not maybe much, but it is. Here, like if you look at the pocket clip, like right there, it's a little bit. I guess it doesn't look real close right there, but it is built up a little thicker than this. Um, Thumb studs are really not too bad though. Like they are small. I think it's just something you gotta kind of get used to, because like I said, the blade it's bigger, it's thicker, and it's a little heavier. If they just made that just a tad bit bigger, I think it would be perfect. A little bit of jimping on there, right there. Um, Honestly, it's not bad. You got a little jimping right there too on the handle. It works very well. I think it's because it kind of is built up like this. It goes up, and that's what I think I like about the jimping. I don't mind it that it's bigger and spaced apart because it has that little tab right there. I feel like that little push pad. You know what I mean? So you got that push pad right there that you can push down and use, and you're not gonna have to worry or slip or anything like that. Um, I don't know what that is. Probably like a designer's initials or something like that. You have your pickle steel right there. Like I said, you have your red pivot collars on both sides, your red thumb studs, puck clip right there, wire one. You got an extra one. Got your green micarta, which is nice. Looks like it's got smaller screws though. I don't know what their crossbar lock is called, and it is skeletonized on the inside to make it a little lighter for you. And I don't know what material this is. I don't know if it's aluminum or what. I'll have to get more information on this stuff for you guys. But seriously, it's a kind of a dope little knife. It's not a little knife, it's a little bit overbuilt, but it's kind of a dope knife. I like that. I'm actually very, very happy with that. I'm impressed. I don't know. That's just me, though. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.